Top 5 ways to make your first million. Earning $1 million is not an easy job to do. Though in the present day, $1 million is not that much worth, it is still hard to earn in a very massive amount for beginners. People in a growing, expensive world tend to search for several ways to shoot their income, but their normal monthly salary cannot do the deed for them. In order to make the road towards your first million, it's a stairway towards endless success. If you are one of these people, then you're watching the right video. In this video, we are briefly going to talk about the top 5 ways which will lead you towards your first million. We will let you know about the best ways you will apply and work in order to achieve your first million. In order to achieve this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Before starting this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected with our channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Number 5. Earn more. At number 5, we're going to talk about earning more. Now, we should not stick to only one job that gives us money, but we should earn more in different ways. If we can spend hours watching TV and scrolling social media, then we can also invest our time into several ways of making money. And if you want to increase your worth to $1 million, then we really have to do this. The best quote I read today is that I would rather hustle 24 hours a day than be a slave from 9 to 5. This quote is the real motivation. Work hard until you have it. You always have to aim high. You can start by opening your very own business. You need to have the right set of ideas, your niche, your business ideas, and your one set aim. So while working your job, you have a side hustle so you can make a way towards your first million. So get up, start your research, work on your skills, start your side hustle, and remember, it's never too late to start. So let's get going, bud. You are about to be a millionaire by your own efforts. Number 4. Be smart about debt. At number 4, we're going to talk about debt. Into everyone's life, some debt must fall. If you're going to grow your bank balance, you need to have the right information about good debt and bad debt. Good debt is taking out student loans to get a degree in a high-paying field, or taking loans for a down payment on a home. Bad debt is buying stuff on credit cards you don't really need. And just because you're spreading the payments out every month or year, you can buy the item you are financing immediately, rather than having to wait and saving enough money to get it. But the debt is good or bad. You need to learn to be smart in paying it off. If you have student loan debt, you can refinance it with an interest rate. If you can refinance with an interest rate just below 1%, then your current rate can save you a lot of dollars over the term of loan. People often get lost in this thought that whether they should wait to invest until you have paid your loan off, then no, you shouldn't wait. There's no substitute when it comes to investing. Credit card debt, which is known as an emergency. The interest of this is so high, you need to pay it off as quickly as you can. If you withhold this debt, make a plan to pay it off and keep a track of that plan. What you could do here is to use the stacking method to pay credit card debt. If your credit card is good enough, you can apply for a balance transfer credit card. Having a know-how about debt is a major point in order to make your first million, because if we have no knowledge about debt and how to pay it off, all the money you will make will go into this scheme. Number 3. Keep track of everything and budget. At number 3, we're going to talk about keeping track. As you know, what gets measured gets managed. It is really important for you to have a deeper look into what is happening in your finances. If you do not know how to spend the money you earn well, then it doesn't matter how much you earn. A budget has the tendency to provide you with a know-how on where all your money is going. It gives you an outlook on how and where the money you earn is going. Now, if you have no knowledge on how to set up your budget, then we're here for you. You just have to use the 50-30-20 rule. It makes things simpler for you. 50 is the essentials in your budget, 30 is your lifestyle, and 20 goes in your savings. That's how you need to plan your spendings and savings as well, so you can grow constantly as you earn. Because if you do not save and earn endlessly, sorry to say, you'll not be able to make your way towards being a millionaire. Number 2, real estate investing. At number 2, we're going to talk about a real estate investment. So now real estate investment is a great source of passive income. A rental property can be a long-term investment, leaving you with a lot of benefits. For this purpose, you don't really need a lot of money to start with. You can do a fundraiser, which lets you invest in real estate for as little as $500. It is a great way to step on a property ladder before you even have the money to buy a rental property. Real estate investing has a place in every investment portfolio, even beginners. It is a great source of passive income. You can start with passive real estate investing, which is investing in real estate without the hassles of becoming a landlord. When you are choosing a place to invest, you need to know about location. You need to know where it's located because location plays a vital role in real estate investing. For your tip, college towns have a strong demand for rental property. So at the end, you can invest in real estate and make a lot of money and become a millionaire in no time. Number 1, you need to invest. The biggest thing on this list is to invest. If you want to become a millionaire and even a billionaire, you need to start investing your money in the right means and ways. It is the biggest key to financial success, mark my words. There's no definite time to start investing your money. How this works is that the earlier you start investing, the earlier you will make your way towards your first million. To let you know about a fact about the richest people, they invest 20% of their household each year. The money you make doesn't really matter, but how you invest and spend that money, that is the real deal. If you are earning less than a doctor, but you invest and save your money, you will definitely have a greater net worth than the doctor who earns more. The amount you need to invest in order to become a millionaire depends on which life stage you are currently in. If you are younger, you can invest less money and slowly increase. Many people also invest to save their retirement. You need to invest your money in the right places, right businesses, and profitable places. Having a good knowledge on where you are investing, what you're going to get through it, and then put your money in that and see how you grow. Investing your money in the right places is the most important. Do not invest in something that's a fraud. That's why I told you to have complete know-how before you invest. Investing will totally be a game changer in your life. This is it from our ways toward making your first million. Let us know which way you have followed and what you have learned from this video. Also, tell us which video you're willing to see next on our channel. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now we bid adieu to you guys, and see you in the next video.